Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is where I have some saving challenges that says for the holidays, birthdays, vacations, emergency funds, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I have $90 in prop money, so let's get started. All right. So we had completed all my challenges for the 4th of July. So now we are doing birthday, which is I have a birthday in July, which is my daughter. So I am saving for her birthday. She'll be 19. I am using a 4-sided die to complete this challenge that is created by Janelle Ray Budgets. So we have $1. And let's keep doing some more. Let's put that 1 before I forget. Another 1. We was getting a bunch of 4s. Now we're getting 1s. And another 1. Wow, $3. So 1, 2, and 3. And this was a nice little front and back challenge. So I completed that. So I already got a challenge here that is ready to go from Bookish Mama Budgets. And this says 35. So with this completed challenge, we saved $105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. So $111. That is perfect. Should I condense this? No, we good. So that is a completed challenge. Let me get a paper clip. Perfect. So I will put this to the side. And like I said, I will bring in this birthday challenge here from Bookish Mama Budgets. Next we have is Thanksgiving. This is created by Stuff and Budget. It says $50. And we have 2 scratches. And we have 5. And we're just going to stop there. So $5. And so we have 45. So guess what? That has to be a 5. Next is Black Friday. Says $55 from Bookish Mama Budgets. I just love, I know I say that every time. This color combination is just the bomb. So let's go here. And that is a 6. And we're going to stop there. Because we're not in a rush to finish this. So $6. Christmas. Oh, I always do that. Christmas is this book here created by Cajangirl Budgets. So we already did this page, was $57. And we are working on this page, say $61. So let's see. Ooh, well, that is an 8. And we're going to stop there. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and next we have New Year. So we are saving for next year. This is say $50. This is created by Snowguard 307. What the new year brings to you will depend on a great deal upon what you bring to the new year. Yeah. So let's just scratch 1. And that's $1. And I'm okay with that because like I said, this is for next year. So $1. And I added another category, and this is back to school. And this says 50, created by Goat and Girl Budget. So let's scratch this one. And that is an 8. And I got a couple of challenges that's 5, 6, that is going for back to school. Because I tell you guys, back to school is so expensive. Vacation. And should we finish this one? Oh, I don't know. But I do see there's a shark here. So that is $5. This shark is doing flips in the ocean. So that's 5. And let's do this one. All right, that is 6. Oh, let's finish it. 6. And that's 9. Uh-oh. This to shut the box. Oh dear. I forgot about that. So let's do the $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Oops. Look, it got me all nervous. Shut the box. All right, let's get our 2 dice here. Let's get a marker and let's get the rolling. All right, 5, 6, 7. Oh Lord, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh goodness, let's do the 6 and the 1. Come on, please get us some big numbers. Come on, some big numbers. All right, so we got 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Come on, big numbers. Oh dear, and we got 3. Come on, big numbers, big numbers. Oh wow, so we got 10. Oh no. No, 9, no. Oh, we got a big number, but not the big number we need. All right. So let's make sure, because 6. No, that's not 9. Oh my God, that's 11. Look at me. I bet to screw myself. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that's 11. Oh, what you guys laughing at me? So let's do 9, 10, 11. So 9 and 2. Oh my gosh, I was about to screw myself. Oh dear. Okay, so now we need 9. Let's get a 9. And we got 5 and that is $9. We shut the box of gems. Oh my goodness, I was about to screw myself and I actually got shut the box. Wow, so should we just save $1? Yeah, let's save $1. Perfect. That was so fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's put that and grab a 10. All right, so let's see. This is another completed challenge. So we got 50, 70, 80, 95. Cool beans, $95. And let's get another paper clip. And thank you, Miss Lindsay from Bookish Mama Budgets. Let me put 95 on here. 95, perfect. All right, and I didn't even know we was going to finish that one, so I didn't put an extra one in here, so that's okay. Let's go to What the Duck Named What. Let's go to this page here. And let's do this, go towards like emergency funds. This page says 50. So let's go, that's a 2. And let's do one more. Let's do this one. And that is a 5. So $7. I just love these little bugs under here. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. So we still got some money left. Let's do some in birthday. All right, that is a 3 and 4. Let's do one more. Let's do this one and a 3. All right, so that is 6 for $10. And that's $10. So $10 is to start this one. And what was the one that we had one scratch? This one. Let's finish this one for Thanksgiving. And that is the $5. Perfect. $5. And let's make sure we have 50. And we do. We have 20, 45, 50. And that is another completed challenge. Look at us complete some challenges. All right, so I want to go, let me see. This one still got 3. Let's do one more in Black Friday. And then I want to focus on the school. And that is a 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. So we got 2 scratches left on that one. Chris doesn't want to skip that one. So let's go back here to the back to school one. Let's do a couple. Ooh, I was about to say a couple scratches. That is a 9. We can do one more. Let's do this one. And that is a 5. You got $14 going into this one. Gems, I am so excited because sorry, I can't do 2 things at once. Because I am trying to put together a family binder. Oh, I just can't wait because I think it's much needed. So it can have its own little separate binder from everything else. So we have $10 left. What shall we do? $10. I don't want to put the rest into the, should we do one more in birthday? Yeah, let's do one more in birthday. Let's do this one. And that's $6. Do I have change? Probably not. Let me see. I need some change. Let's get some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. Okay. 5 and 6. And that leaves 3 scratches there, so perfect. And let's put the rest of this $4 into, ooh, I forgot this one. I don't know the denominations. And then this is shut the box. Don't want to do that. I don't know. Should I just skip her? I don't know. What should I do with this $4? This one I don't, 1 through 9. No, I don't want no IOU. Christmas is 1 through 9 also, I believe. Yes, it is. This, I don't know. I'm scared. Thanksgiving, I didn't have an extra one. Jones, what should I do? What shall I do? Just risk it? I don't know. Let's go back here. Let's see. I need to put a catch-all in here or something. We can skip around. Let's skip around. So $4. Let's do the shark. Let's do the baby sharks. So $4 we can do let's do this big shark here for $3. Yeah, let's do that. I apologize if you hear my kids. They are being loud per usual. So let's do this. This is not a baby shark. This is a big shark. All right. So that shark, and let's do one of these dollar sharks here. Let's do this one. That's a cute little baby shark. Perfect. So $4. Let's put that in the right spot. Boom. All right. All right, gems. That is it. That was $90. And we completed a few challenges today, which is awesome. What is going on here? What? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not going to have you guys sit through that. But yeah, we finished 3 challenges. So we have, believe that was Thanksgiving, birthday, vacation. Yay. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.